Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe Boy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. And today I'm gonna show you some easy ways to sanitize your gadgets or even the stuff that you travel with daily. And for that all you'll need is a sanitizing spray like the one I have from Dettol. This is available for around 150 rupees. You can buy this from Amazon, or else in other cases you can even buy the Dettol wipes. So whenever we venture out nowadays, most of our stuff gets exposed to surfaces which could be very harmful when they are brought back inside the house. So before you get them in, you can sanitize them with this spray. Like for example your smartphone, wallet, keys, watch, or even your entire bag. Now on the bottle it says keep 15 centimeters distance, but you can keep more than that. Only the mist falling on the device is more than enough. There's no need to make the entire phone wet. And don't worry about the smartphone, nowadays all of them are a little water resistant to all of this at least. Similarly, you can use the spray to sanitize your wallet or keys and stuff. But be careful not to use it on devices that are connected to a power source at that time, as we all know that this is highly flammable. Now while traveling or in your workplace, it's difficult to take this spray along, so instead of this you can use the Dettol wipes. These come for around 200 rupees from Amazon, and I'm having the big one with me. You get around 72 wipes in this. You even get a smaller one, and that could be easier to travel with. You can use a single wipe to clean the surfaces in your office or even the keyboard of your computer at your workplace or anywhere else before you start working. You can even use them to wipe your hands, but not face, obviously. Now while doing all of this, many people around you might laugh and make fun of you, but at the same time, we all know what the coronavirus has done to the world, and at the end of the day, we are responsible for our own selves. And who knows, by taking such precautions, you could be keeping yourself and people around you safe. So don't feel shy or hesitate to take every possible safety measure during this pandemic. Guys, if you like this video or if you found it informative, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, take care of yourself till then, see you next time.